All right, this is a Gothic temple scene that I got from the marketplace. We'll just use it to kind of refresh our memory on the camera controls. So first thing, going to go up here, add a new level sequence, and it's going to ask where we want to save it. I like to create a new folder and put all of my cinematics inside of that. And I'm going to name this shot 1. Now from my menu here, I'm going to click it over to 24 frames per second. And I'm going to add a camera. And now reminder when this pops up, so I'm piloting the camera at this point. And so you can just start to begin to look around for an interesting composition. Okay, when we find a shot that we like, just nice composition. So I'm going to create a camera and we'll drop that in here. And remember, we can add some slight movement if we want. So we're piloting the camera right now. So I could move the camera backwards, perhaps just a little bit. And we can set a transform keyframe. And then maybe I can just move it forward. Yeah, do that. Let's move forward in time, about 18 frames. And I'll just push the camera forward a little bit. And we'll set another keyframe. So now we've just got a slight little push in. Okay. The orange circles tell us that we're using a like an ease on that frame. Which is probably what we want. We can also extend that motion out, make it a little bit longer. And we can pull that out and maybe put this in the center of the frame so that we've just got a little bit of a hold, and then the camera pushes in. All right, if I want to add the fade track, click on track, fade track. Now I can come to the beginning and I can set this value to 1, which will be full fade, keyframe. I'll move to 24 seconds, change the value to 0, keyframe, move to 96 frames, sorry. And we'll set another keyframe, and then we'll move to the end, and we'll set the value back to 1 to fade out. All right, let's see what we got there on that shot. All right, that's not gonna win any cinematography awards, but hopefully that reminds you on how to create a shot and animate a simple bit of motion.